guys, what up? Bam bam bam. It's your girl Patty P for Congolese sister. Actually, I'm Queen P. So yeah, I did this makeup look for you guys. I know you haven't seen me in a while, but I'm back and I'm better. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe before viewing this video, and I'll see you on the other side. Enjoy! Hey guys, what it do? So I'm starting the look of my eyes. As I'm pointing there, I'm using the ginger eyeshadow palette from the Aina times Anastasia collab, which is hella bomb. You should get your hands on it. You know, a little some for you, a little some. I'm just putting that in all over my crease basically. This is just a transition color, guys. So enjoy me doing that for a while. And yeah, my eyebrows are already done, and if I'm talking, sorry, I was watching a show and I was talking with my sister, and also that was none of your business. Yeah, so now I'm pointing at the eyeshadow color Supreme, again from the Jackie times Anastasia palette. All the eyeshadow I use for this look are in the Jackie times Anastasia palette, so I'm not gonna mention it every time. So yeah, I'm putting that like in the crease, blending that. Next on, I'm taking the shade right beside it, which is Pinker, and I'm putting that more like in my lower crease and in the corner of my eyes. Sorry if I don't describe it well. That's the best I can do, I guess. So yeah, I'm just placing that at the places that you see me place it. And now for the lid color, I'm using Wiggalese, which is like a sparkly reddish color. I really like it. Like, honestly guys, I really love this look. Like, wow, I just love it. I might do it again, to be honest, because that was just so cute. So yeah, I'm placing that on my lid, and then I'm gonna blend everything out. I'm not going like all the lid, I'm leaving some out, and then I'm gonna blend everything out to make it look more sexier, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I applied my eyeliner off camera. I'm gonna link it down below. It's like a cheap eyeliner that I got in the drugstore, but that works really good. Now I'm applying my primer, which is from why am I forgetting? It's from Boscia, sorry. Yeah, so it's the mattifying primer from Boscia. I'm so sorry, I don't know why I just had a moment right there. So yeah, now I'm applying the white powder from Fenty Beauty. I know that's not the name, guys. I just don't know the name. It will be listed down below. I'm so sorry, like I'm so all over the place. So I'm just applying that everywhere that I get oily, because I'm a super oily girl. So which is mostly on my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Yes, pat it on, Patty. Pat. So for my foundation, I mix my concealer, which is medium bead from CoverGirl, and I also mix it in with my wow, I don't know what I have this morning, with my Dior 5N foundation. That's it. You can do it, Patty. So sorry guys, it's early in the morning. I have my coffee right beside me. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm blending that in. Yes, I'm goofy, that's why I'm laughing. You know what I'm saying? So for concealer, I'm using my medium beige from CoverGirl. You know, it's a cheap concealer, but I think I'll switch soon because it's not as full coverage as I would love it to be. So yeah, I'm in the search of a new mattifying full coverage concealer. If you have any suggestion, can you please link it down below? Thank you. So I apply my translucent setting powder off camera. Is the Huda Beauty Blondie setting powder, translucent setting powder. And now for contour, I contour with Coco from the Fenty Beauty. You know, Fenty's my girl, so I'm a supporter, whatever. So yeah, contouring is like my favorite thing, to be honest. It just like adds color and makes you lose 10 pounds. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Okay, so we're almost to the end, so I'm spraying my face with my, I know it's a NYX bottle, but it's actually in it, it's oh my god, it's Boscia again. I'm so sorry guys. So it's the Boscia setting spray that I put in this bottle because their bottle doesn't spray well. So now for the lips, I'm using my True Brown K lip liner from Kylie Cosmetics. Yeah. And I'm using a lip gloss from Stebeat Beauty, and it's the lip gloss number 12. So it's the clear lip gloss. And yeah, I'm a lip gloss girl, so you know what I'm saying? That's what we doing here. That's what we doing. I'm also gonna apply shortly my highlighter. Yep, that is where it is. For highlight, I'm using the usual Amrezy and Anastasia highlight because that's just the go-to, you know. That's just the prettiest highlighter I've ever had, to be honest. Amrezy did that, you know what I'm saying? Yes, honey. So this is the finished look, guys. Yeah, we done. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Before leaving, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to us. Thank you for the support. I just want to shout out a couple of things before we go out here. on my lips, I got this clear gloss, and it's from Stebeat Beauty. Just go on her Instagram and purchase it. I really like it. I'm a gloss girl, so anything that I can pop a gloss on and it looks cute, I'm done with it. And also I wanted to shout out these lashes, which are from Cupcake Cutie lashes, and they are like this. They're really long. Like, this is really for them extra girls. Yeah, I kind of vibe with them, you know. I could do that. But anywho, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I also wanted to thank both of these girls that sent me those products. It's really appreciated. I love them. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have a blessed life, guys. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed night. May God be with you and bless you. Bye.
What else? Your body will kill me. Yeah. Up in the Bombay. Ram Town. Yeah. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, yeah.